Letters with dates. BC, we have seen standard for before Christ. You will sometimes find AD before dates. This is standard for two Latin words, Anno Domini, meaning in the year of the Lord Christ. So, 2012 can also be written as AD 2012. Sometimes CE is used instead of AD and BCE instead of BC. The letters CE stand for Common Era and BCE for Before Common Era. We use these terms because the Christian era is now used. We use terms because the Christian era is now used in most countries of the world. In India, began using this form of dating from about 200 years ago, and sometimes the letter BP meaning before present and used. Find two dates mentioned on page 3. Which set of letters would you use for them? Elsewhere. We have seen that inscriptions are inscribed on the hard surface. Many of these were inscribed several hundreds of years ago. All inscriptions contain both script and language. Language which were used as well as scripts have changed have over time. So how do scholars understand what was inscribed? This can be doing through a process known as decipherment. Look at the picture. ETOLMISKLIOPATDTRA. One of the most famous stories of decipherment comes from Egypt, a country in North Africa where there were kings and queens about 5,000 years ago. Rosetta is a town of the north coast of Egypt, and here an inscribed stone was found, which contained inscriptions in three different languages and scripts: Greek, and two forms of elephant. Sorry, it's Egyptian. Scholars who could read Greek figured out that the name of the king and queens were enclosed in a little frame called a corcho. Then they placed the Greek and Egyptian signs side by side and independent the sound for which an Egyptian letters stood. As you can see, a lion stood for L and bird for A. Once they knew what the letters stood for, they could read before other inscriptions as well. Imagine you have to interview an archaeologist. Prepare a list of 5 questions what you would like to ask him her. Let's recall. Match the following: Narmada Valley, Magadha, Garo Hills, Indus and its tributaries, Ganga Valley. List one major difference between manuscripts and scriptures. Keywords: traveling manuscript, inscriptions, archaeology, historian, sources, disformant. Make a list of the objects that archaeologists may find. Which of these could be made of stone? Made of what? Why do you think ordinary and mean what mean did not generally keep records of what they did? Describe at least Describe at least 2 ways in which do you think the lives of kings would have been different from those formats. Dates: the beginning of agriculture 8,000 years ago. The first cities on the Indus 4,700 years ago. Cities in the Ganga Valley, a big kingdom in Magadha 2,500 years ago. The present about 2000 AD and CE. Thank you.